our weekend trip to Bryce National Park. Our journey takes us through the heart of the American Southwest, a land of stark contrast and breathtaking vistas. The entrance to Bryce is easy to find and well marked, and it offers visitors a stunning introduction to the park's unique natural beauty. Bryce ranks at number 22 in Travel and Leisure's best national parks in the U.S. February is considered the off-season for Bryce National Park, so you can expect fewer visitors and smaller crowds. This means you can enjoy the stunning scenery, hiking trails, and other attractions in the park with greater peace and tranquility. Bryce Canyon is a magical place during the winter months, with snow and ice accentuating the unique rock formations, creating a stunning contrast of colors and textures. Hoodoos are tall, thin spires of rocks that are found in Bryce Canyon. And this majestic view is from Sunrise Point. From Sunrise Point, visitors can also access several hiking trails that wind through the Bryce Amphitheater, including the popular Queen's Garden Trail and the Navajo Loop Trail. And this vantage view is from Sunset Point. Hoodoos are formed when softer layers of rock erode away more quickly than harder layers, leaving behind tall columns of rock that are often capped with a harder, more durable rock formation. This plaque of Ebenezer and Mary Bryce is located on Sunset Point. It offers a stunning panoramic view of the park's unique rock formations and hoodoos, and is a popular spot for visitors to watch the sunset. And now we finally made it to Bryce Point. Bryce Point is perhaps the most iconic of the park's viewpoints. From Bryce Point, visitors can see a vast expanse of hoodoos, spires, and other rock formations that were shaped over millions of years of erosion. The colors of the rocks are also unique and a striking feature, ranging from red, orange, and yellow to white and gray, creating a stunning display of color and contrast. Hoodoos came from the southern Paiute word for scary or spirit. Oral traditions from the Paiute tribe say that the hoodoos are people who were turned into stone by the trickster god Coyote. The Paiute people have lived in the region around Bryce National Park for thousands of years, and in their culture, the area around Bryce is also considered a sacred site, and there are many stories about the spirits and entities that inhabit the region. It is said that the area is a gateway to the spirit world, and the spirits of the ancestors continue to watch over the land. The combination of unique shapes and vibrant colors make the hoodoos in Bryce a one-of-a-kind natural wonder. The presence of mineral deposits in the rocks has also contributed to the unique coloration of the hoodoos. Iron oxide and manganese, for example, give the rocks their distinctive red and orange hues. Bryce Canyon is not actually a canyon, but a series of natural amphitheaters. Bryce Canyon has some of the darkest night skies in North America, making it a prime location for stargazing. In fact, the park is designated as an international dark sky park. With the park's remote location, high elevation, and low humidity, stargazing is exceptional. Coming to Bryce during winter season is wonderful, but be aware that some trails and roads may be closed. Shuttle service may not be available as well. Make sure you are also wearing the proper clothing and shoes. Ice can be slippery, as there are a lot of sloped inclines along many of the pathways. Thanks for watching our first leg of this trip at Bryce National Park.